What is up, you guys? Welcome back
our channel.
for today's video. I am super duper excited because we're gonna do my subscribers pick out my Starbucks drink. So I'm super excited and I'm thankful for all of you guys that participated in my little survey thing that I put on Instagram and Snapchat, because without you guys I would not be able to do this video. So thank you so much for this video. I am excited to try your guys's drinks because I am a basic ass female that only likes to drink the iced caramel macchiato. So I'm excited for your guys' recommendations. So I'm a little nervous to film this, I'm not gonna lie. Alright, let's do this.
Just one quick second, we're right there for you.
Okay.
Sorry about that, what can I get started for you?
Hello, can I please get all of these drinks tall?
Yeah, of course.
Okay, let me get a green tea frap with Java chips.
Okay.
Let me get a green tea frap with 5 pumps of raspberry.
Okay.
Let me get a pink drink.
I'm sorry, say the last one more time.
A pink drink.
Tall pink drink, okay.
Let me get an iced latte with 2 pumps of white mocha,
Okay.
1 pump of hazelnut, and 1 pump of vanilla and almond milk.
1 pump of hazelnut, 1 pump of vanilla, 2 pumps of white mocha and almond milk.
Yes.
Okay.
Let me get an iced white chocolate mocha with salted foam, cold foam.
Okay, give me 1 second.
Okay. Watch, someone is trying to do the challenge of the person in front of me picks whatever I'm eating, and I'm over here like.
Okay, what was after that?
Let me get a mango dragon fruit lemonade.
Okay. And your ice white mocha, that was a tall as well?
Yeah, all of these.
Okay.
And then last but not least, let me get an iced green tea latte with coconut milk, 2 scoops of matcha powder, and 1 pump of vanilla, please.
Okay.
And that'll be it.
Okay, awesome. 31.25.
Thank you. So I just ordered all of these and I got them all in tall, so yep.
31.25. Do you have the app or no?
No.
No? Okay, sorry.
That takes forever.
Here's that, and I'll have your things right up.
Okay. Go get us, puppy. Lily's eating a cake pop. Alright guys, so we got the drinks. I'm super excited to try these.
And now we're gonna taste them together.
We're gonna taste them together. Let's get you in here.
I think it's good.
Okay. ¿Cuál quieres probar primero, mi vida? You want to try this one first? Espérate. Alright. Nell is really into his cake pop, so we're gonna leave him there. Okay, this is the 2 pumps of white mocha, 1 pump of vanilla, 1 pump of hazelnut with almond milk. It's an iced latte.
Ready, guys?
Ahí está el agua.
And what are you going to take? No, I thought you were going to do it together.
Ah, no te va a gustar.
Huh?
No te va a gustar.
Why?
Pruébalo. It's really sweet. Oh.
Ding, 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 ding.
It's a plus. Okay, you liked it. All right. I see you.
Okay.
¿Te gustó?
Sit right there.
All right, next. What do you give this? I give this like this is really sweet. So I think maybe it would taste good if it was a venti, but because it's a small, I feel like I should probably ask for 1 pump of white mocha. But
And my baby buddy got a miss this. Look at. He got a miss, so she likes chocolate.
so yeah. I mean, it tastes a little bit like coffee, but it's good.
Okay, now let's taste.
Next, what are we gonna taste now?
I want to take this one.
The pink one?
Yep.
Okay, so she's gonna pick the pink one, pick this green one. This one is a
Look at this.
green tea caramel with 5 pumps of raspberry. And then this one is a mango dragon lemonade. Try it. I'm gonna try this one. Cheers.
This tastes good. Taste this one. I'll try yours.
Despacito. I'm gonna try this one.
It's really sweet.
This one's really good. I think this is a really good refresher for right now that it's hot. It's really,
It looks like a.
it's really good actually. I give this a 10. I give this one like around a 5.5, 6.
And I'm gonna give this one a 9.
9?
Yeah.
That's a good one. Okay, next one I'm gonna try is this pink drink. Dale esa. Dale.
Try it.
This is the pink drink. This one was recommended by 2 people.
Fine. Sour.
I thought it was gonna be sweet. I don't know. Here, pruébalo tú.
It looks like my medicine.
It tastes like your medicine. Oh wow. I don't know. Pruébalo, papi. Pruébalo.
Yeah, so good, so good.
Okay. Okay.
Stop. Right, stop.
Okay. So this one, I give this like a 4. I thought it was gonna be like sweeter. I thought it was gonna be like fresas con crema. So I had a different thought about that one. So.
A sour.
Ácido? All right. So next, we're gonna try. I'm gonna use the same straw.
I'll try. That's mine. I'm gonna use it.
This one is the Grande Ice Latte, 1 pump of vanilla, coconut milk, and 2 scoops of matcha powder. I already know I'm not gonna like this one.
And I am gonna like this one. I'm gonna try it.
Yep. I don't like that one. Disculpe fuera.
No, I don't like it.
She was about to. A ver esta. It's because it's I should have probably not gotten so many.
Ah.
Yeah, no way.
No why?
This one's good.
I
I like this one.
I don't like it.
This one is a green tea frappe with Java chips. This one's good. This is the salted cream foam no whip one.
I am gonna do
It sure is salted, I'll tell you that much. Tastes like,
and this tastes looks like strawberry.
I don't know how to explain it. It kind of has like a caramelly taste, but it's kind of salty. Like, it tastes like salted caramel. That's what it tastes like. This one is probably my least favorite. So
this is my favorite one. Yeah.
this is my least favorite.
Starbucks drinks.
My least favorite.
This is my pretty favorite, and then this is not my favorite. The 3 one, no.
This one's good. All right, so let's rate them, okay? This one, which is the iced latte, 2 pumps of white mocha. I'm gonna put the screen right here, but this one right here, I'll give this like a 4, like a 5, 4.5, 5.
I'm gonna get
this one. This one's good.
And then I'm gonna get that one.
It's a little sour, but I give this a 10.
And I'm gonna give this
a 9.
No, I'm gonna give this 10.
Okay, a 10.
Maybe 7.
7?
Yeah.
You don't like it?
I said 7.
7 is less.
It's good?
It's para abajo.
Okay, I'm gonna give it.
A 10 is mucho, 9 is mucho, 8 is mucho, 7 is okay.
7?
Okay, so this is a 4.5, 5. I give this one like a 3, to be honest. So I'm sorry, my pink drinks, I didn't think it was all that. The Java chip, chocolate chip, it's good. The chocolate chip gives it a good flavor. This one is not so sweet, so I kind of like that.
So this one looks like I'm going. My mom is going to get.
This one was which one? This one has raspberry. I like this one. This one tastes good. It's kind of sweet. So I called my comadre, which is Vicky, to see if she wanted these drinks, because she is very much a matcha lover. Like, she'll drink that, and I personally don't like matcha, so I don't want to throw these to waste. And I'm not someone to freeze things either, and she is. Like, she will freeze and take all leftovers, and I can't do that. Like, I don't like leftovers. So she was gonna meet me at Sam's Club. Yeah, she finally is here.
Mommy, show the little birdies.
Where is she going? Where is she going? Why is she driving? Why are you driving like if in your Mario Kart?
I don't know where you're at.
Girl, I'm right here in the entrance, like when you got in here.
I see you. You're hiding there like some kind of damn detective.
I'm like, why is she driving like if there's no stop sign?
I'm sorry. I was all like, she's gonna freaking kill me. I was all like, she always waiting for me, but today it was so bad. No, but Myra, wasn't it? It was so freaking bad.
It wasn't too bad because Ned wasn't giving me a hard time. Alright guys, we have Myra in the back. Say hi. I said Myra, not Vicky. And we have the comadre here.
Hey!
Okay, so I got Starbucks, and I already told you guys earlier that I was gonna have her try them too. So let's see what they think about them. Okay, you try them too. This one I finished because this was really good.
What was that?
The mango
dragon fruit? Which one are we trying first?
Well, that's the pink drink.
Pink drink. I've tried the pink drink before.
Here's a new straw if you want a straw.
No, it's okay. You're gonna get hate comments about waste. Yeah, I really don't like the pink drink. Annalie, is it your turn?
She already tried it, girl.
Oh, okay, it's Myra's turn.
It's just you and Myra.
It tastes like medicine.
She said that one tastes like her medicine.
2 pumps. This is a white mocha, 1 pump vanilla, hazelnut almond milk.
It's really sweet, huh?
Yeah.
No, not that one. That one's like, it needs sugar. Está muy sweet. I feel like that
This is nasty. It's just nasty. Whoever recommended that one, I'm sorry, girlfriend, but your taste buds be out of whack.
That one, oh, you tried that one.
Yeah, this one is like my go-to.
It was alright.
This one's really good. This is something I would order.
Yeah?
Mhm.
It tastes a lot like,
Is this a cloud?
Cloud? It's the salted caramel one.
It's pretty good.
A salted.
Yeah. Mix it really good. What shoot?
It tastes like milk. I don't like milk.
It has coconut milk.
I don't like this one. This one tastes like milk.
What's your reviews, Myra?
Yeah, what is your... Oh, did you do a countdown? Like 10?
Like a, yeah.
Oh, okay, this one gets a 0. This one gets a -20. This one gets a 9. This one, Myra? This one is nasty. It's a 0 too.
I like this one kind of.
Okay, this
That's your
one.
cup of tea. That's your cup of tea.
This is what I order all the time.
Yeah.
So, all right, let me get a popote.
This one's good too. This one's cold too.
Oh wait, this is nasty. This is nasty. It's the coconut milk.
You said you like that?
This is my go-to drink. How you guys are gonna done mess it up? This is nasty.
It is nasty. This one's good too.
This is the last one?
Yeah. What was this one good?
Oh, 5 pumps of
I
raspberry.
put 5 because I felt like 10 was way too many. This one's good. I like
This
that
is so
one. Yeah, that
good.
one's good. I like that one.
Oh my god.
What do you think about that one, Myra?
I don't like
Oh, man,
That
this
one
one's
tastes-
so good.
That one tastes like como zacate.
No, it's just the Anastasia will drink this.
No way.
She will get that coconut milk. Anyways, thank you for letting me try your drinks. And Vanessa almost killed me here because she waited like more than 30 minutes.
I waited like an hour. It was a hell of a long time.
The struggle's real.
What do you think about that one?
That one's bomb.
That one's good, huh?
It has so much
Really?
raspberry? She don't got a sweet tooth. We have a sweet tooth. Vanessa and I, and Annalie. What about Ismael? Does he have a sweet tooth?
Not really. I gave him K-pop and he threw it all up. Hanan. Alright guys, so that's gonna wrap it up for this video. If you guys did enjoy this video, please leave a comment down below. If you guys want to see a part 2, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, and we'll again do these with different drinks. Thank you guys so much for participating in my little survey. You guys made this possible. So see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Comment below, you guys, so you like these drinks. They look in the Starbucks, so you could try them, or the bad or the right. So bye.
To our channel. You ready? 1, 2, and 3. What is up, you guys? Welcome back
To your channel.
to our.
2 hours.
And hopefully there is nobody over here. Ah, they took the parking. See?
Huh?
Look at the camera. Let's see. Do the favorite.
Drop it.
This one is from I'm gonna go meet up with her right now, and hopefully these kids fight like so much. Like, this is a true reality of having kids.
And you guys, come on.